How to change background on Snapchat on chats. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can change the background on the Snapchat. So to change the background on the Snapchat in a chat, you need to be a Snapchat Plus subscriber, as this feature is not available for the regular users. So follow some steps to change the background. Open the Snapchat app and swipe to the right to access your chats. And after that, tap on the name of the person of the top of the screen. Now under the our chat section, tap wallpaper. So tap right here on name. And from there you can see the chat color. So you will select another color. So let me select this one and then save. And after that, tap on the next, then start. And then after that you can see that they are asking for you to pay the money for the monthly package. So after paying that money you can get the Snapchat colors.